Welcome back to English with Ease. I'm Mia, and I'm so happy you're here again. Let's begin slowly. Take a deep breath in and let it out gently. You're safe. You're calm. You're ready to learn.
And I'm Leo. Today, we're inviting you into another peaceful English session. Just listen, feel the rhythm, and repeat when you're ready. There's no pressure here, only soft learning. Mia, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling centered. I woke up early, sat quietly for a moment, and enjoyed the stillness of the morning.
That sounds perfect. I took a slow walk outside. The air felt cool and fresh, and it helped clear my mind.
Mornings like that set the tone for the whole day.
That's true. A calm beginning creates a calm mindset.
Leo, do you ever feel like your mind is too full?
All the time. But I've learned something. Not every thought needs attention. Not every feeling needs a reaction.
That's such a wise perspective. People often think they must solve everything immediately. But actually, sometimes the best thing to do is to step back.
Exactly. When I pause, I remember that my thoughts are just visitors. They come and they go.
And you don't have to follow every thought or believe every worry. Repeat after me. I don't have to react to every thought. My mind can be clear. I let unnecessary worries go.
Now repeat. I am not my stress. I am not my fears. I choose clarity today.
Leo, can you share a story with us today?
Of course. Here's a simple one. Two seeds lay side by side in the soil of a quiet garden. The first seed said, "I want to grow. I want to push through the earth and feel the sunlight." So it began to grow. The second seed was afraid. It said, "What if it's too hard? What if the world is dangerous? What if I fail?" So it stayed underground and never grew.
I love this story. It reminds us that growth begins with courage. Even a small step is more powerful than waiting forever.
Exactly. Action leads to growth. Fear leads to staying in the dark. Repeat after us, Growth Edition.
Repeat slowly. I am growing every day. I don't need perfect conditions to start. I choose small steps.
And repeat. I allow myself to try. I allow myself to learn. I allow myself to grow. Mia, do you ever overthink?
Oh yes. I overthink when I care too much. About things I cannot control.
That's relatable. Overthinking is like running on a treadmill of thoughts. You get tired, but you don't go anywhere.
Exactly. Sometimes letting go is actually the smartest decision.
And sometimes, overthinking simply means your mind is trying to protect you. It isn't the enemy. It's just confused.
That's beautifully said. Repeat after me. I don't have to control everything. I let life move at its own pace. I trust myself.
Now try these. I release what's not mine. I let go of the tension. I welcome peace.
Leo, how do you stay motivated when life feels heavy?
I lower the pressure. Instead of asking, what huge thing should I do today? I ask, what small thing can I do today?
That's a powerful mindset. Gentle discipline is more effective than harsh discipline.
Exactly. Consistency comes from kindness, not from pushing yourself too hard.
I agree. Even 5 minutes of effort keeps the door open for tomorrow's improvement. Repeat after us, Motivation Edition. Repeat slowly. I can do small things today. I don't need to rush. I can move forward gently.
And repeat. I stay consistent with kindness. I take one step at a time. I am moving in the right direction. Let me share another story. A river once flowed toward a mountain. It tried to go around it, but the path was blocked. It tried to go over it, but it couldn't. Finally, the river became frustrated and asked the mountain, "Why are you in my way?" The mountain said gently, "I'm not here to stop you. I'm here to teach you. That's sometimes the strongest path is the slow one." The river then learned to carve its path over time, not by force, but by patience.
That story is beautiful. It reminds us that patience creates results that pressure never can. Repeat. I can be patient with myself. Good things take time. I move forward steadily.
And repeat. I don't need to force progress. I let things unfold naturally. I trust the process.
Leo, do you have an evening routine that helps you stay balanced?
Yes. Before bed, I write down 3 simple things. What I learned today, what I'm grateful for, and what I can release.
I love that. Releasing is important. Otherwise, tomorrow feels heavier than it needs to be.
Exactly. When I let go in the evening, I wake up with clarity.
My evening routine is simple too. A cup of warm tea, quiet music, and a few minutes of stillness.
That sounds peaceful. Repeat after us evening affirmations.
Repeat after me. I release today's stress. I allow myself to rest. I welcome calm into my night.
Now repeat. I did my best today. I am proud of my effort. I will wake up renewed.
Thank you for spending this time with us today.
We hope you feel calmer, lighter, and more confident.
Remember, learning English becomes easier when you relax, when you breathe, when you enjoy the journey.
You don't need perfection. You just need consistency and kindness toward yourself.
Thank you for joining us on English with Ease.
Come back tomorrow for another peaceful session.
Take care, stay gentle, and keep learning with ease.